MacBoy24 here again. I'm here to talk about a couple of cool little things you can do for yourself to help out your grades. This goes for high school students and mainly, most of all, college students, because I don't know if high school they'll let you have your laptops out during class. But these are a couple of things that I use my freshman year of college that really helped out my grades as far as keeping up with all of my work and getting it done. Um, let's see, we're going to start off with Microsoft Word. We're going to go here. And right here, okay, it looks like a regular, blank sheet of paper in Microsoft Word where you're going to write your essay. But in Office 2008 for Microsoft Word, I don't necessarily know if this works on PC and Mac, but I know on Mac, you have this little tab over here. And right when you go on top of it, it says Notebook Layout View right there, over there to the right of it. And if you click on it, it goes to a notebook layout view. And you can have different sections. You can add sections if you want for new tabs. And what this generally does is for note taking. So say I'm in class and we're I'm in history class and we're taking notes on old government policies. Okay, we're taking notes on old government policies. That'll be my header, or, the title for my notes. And down here, let's put some I'll put George Washington. Okay, so I'm taking some notes about George Washington. George Washington to be my, my first line. Now, if I go to the tab button, I hit enter, go down to the next line, go over to the tab button. I can write notes about him. I'm just gonna put whatever. And then if I want to have some notes about that, I can go down again, whatever. Now, when you print this out for your notes, when you print this out, it's going to print out in outline form. So that is the best way to study. I aced all my finals this year. So this is the best way to study for any test that you have. And also a cool little thing that's also in here for all you people that take notes slow and maybe your teacher talks fast, you have a built-in audio board here. And to get to it, all you have to go to tools and go to audio notes, and it's going to say start recording. And you just hit start recording first, and from then on in, it's just going to sit right up here on your taskbar for Microsoft Word. And how it works is you can, you know, start recording. You press the record button, it starts recording everything in your class. It'd be best if you put your input volume all the way up. That way, you hear everything in the class, especially if anybody else is doing anything in the classroom. You can always hear your teacher. Now, what's cool about this is as you're typing, typing anything, typing. Now, you see that little sign button that comes up every time I hit enter to go to the next line. It comes up right there. Now, the cool thing about that is that when you're done typing and you know where you missed some notes, the cool thing about it is once you stop the recording and you go to a line where you think you missed something, all you have to do is hit that sound button and it takes you back to right there. As you can hear, it comes up every time I hit enter to go to the next line. It comes up right there. Now, the cool thing, you're done typing and you know wherever you are typing on that line, it saves the recording from that line. So if you miss anything from a line, you can go directly back to that line to hear exactly what your teacher was saying. And this is a great way, to get all of your notes, just in case, like I said, you're a slow typer, you miss things that your teacher is saying. It's a great way to get all of your notes down in a steady fashion. And even when you're done with your audio recording, all you have to do is, when you're done with it, so you can save space on your computer, you can always go to tools, go to audio notes, and press delete audio from documents. And it's gone. It deletes it from your hard drive. Or when you're done with it, you can also export audio. So let's say you want to listen to your notes instead of read them, where you can export your audio to your desktop and put them in your iTunes to play on your iPod. That's a really cool feature. But that's one of the things I wanted to show you. And another thing I wanted to show you, we're going to get out of here. Another thing I wanted to show you is an application. Now, I don't have my HD camera yet. I'm working on it, so I can't necessarily show you an up close view of the app on my iTouch because it's not going to look right. But if you go to the iTunes store, you will see an application called My Homework. And it's a really cool application that it lets you input your classes, what time your classes are, what days your classes are, and it'll save that for you. And under each class, you can add any type of homework that you need to do. And I'll click on the arrow button here to actually show it to you. You can input the title of the type of homework you have to pick. You can also, like I said, once you've saved your classes, you can put for what classes it's in. You can put the type of homework it's in, whether it's a paper, studying for a final exam, your test, any of that stuff. You put a due date from the day or the exact time that it's going to be due to make sure that you're keeping up with it. And you can put notes about each little homework assignment you have, whether it's a project. You can put certain little notes that you think here and there would be great as you go along. And I mean, it's just a solid little application that helps you keep up with your work. And as you get done with your work, you can always delete it or delete certain classes if you're done with them or not taking them. And I mean, it's a solid little app. Like I said, it's really good. And like you see, it has a little flip feature, like an actual piece of notebook paper. And I would recommend it for anyone in school, whether it's elementary through college, whoever has any type of homework or work necessary to do. But this is about it. It's just a little review of things you can do to help out your grades in school. I know it's kind of tough in school, and since me being in school, especially with doing a lot of other things, a lot of the social activities. But it's just a little quick way to help you keep up with everything that you're doing. And again, this has been MacBoy24. You guys take it easy. Peace. Hey, before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know about the week of streams going on, and I'm gonna put the schedule here. So, you can check out the schedule again at www.weekofstreams.com. And tonight, Monday, John Ford Lakers will be featured at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. And also with that, I want to let the guys over at Macintosh Tips, EB and Scooter, know congratulations on making partnership for YouTube. You guys have been working really hard, and you guys absolutely deserve it. Well, again, this has been MacBoy24 here. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. Peace.